Hi, welcome to the webinar Fostering Inclusion Through Innovative Methods in Non-Formal Education. This webinar is part of the Digital Transformation of Inclusive Youth Work project. The project is financed through Erasmus Plus K2 Cooperation Partnership. And my name is Nicolina. I am the CEO of Association Studio B, the leading partner of the project. Just a few information about the project itself. It was funded by the Agency for Mobility and Programs of European Union in the total grant of 250,000 euros. The duration of this project is 24 months. It started January 1st last year and it's ongoing until December 31st this year. We are implementing this project with partners from Austria, Germany, and Sweden, youth power organizations from respective countries. The main goal of this project is to digitally transform inclusive youth work in the international level, which means that all objectives and activities of the projects are directed towards the inclusion of digital tools in our work. What we did throughout the project by now, we did a strategy of digital transformation in all of the countries on local level. After that, we did the seminars where we taught other people, other relevant stakeholders from municipalities to other NGOs how to digitally transform their work. After that, we developed 5 innovative one-day programs of non-formal education. Each partner developed 1, Swedish partner developed 2. This webinar is about the program called Inclusion that Association Studio B developed, and we did a pilot training, testing training this summer, and the feedback was quite good. Within the project, we are developing a platform that will have virtual inclusion center platform that will have all the webinars, all the manuals and guidebooks and all the programs. In our association, Manuela is leading this project, so she will tell you now more about the program itself.
So now we are going to talk more about program Fostering Inclusion Through Innovative Methods in Non-Formal Education, and also we have that program in guidebook. So we have guidebook where in the beginning we have some theoretical input and theoretical knowledge about inclusion, about understanding inclusion, different aspects of inclusion, creating an inclusive learning environment, and some things about inclusion that can help youth workers who are working on this program how to implement this in their work. In the beginning of this manual or guidebook, we have some introduction, some definitions, why is inclusion important. Then we have more about key principles of inclusive education, why is the non-formal education important in promoting inclusion, different aspects of inclusion, how we can see inclusion in different cultures and ethnic minorities, then why inclusion is important in of socio-economical disadvantaged groups. And in chapter 3 we are talking about creating an inclusive learning environment. And also we have more about some policies in youth work in Europe, of inclusive policies in different parts of Europe. We have some information about policies in Croatia, in Sweden, in Germany, and Austria, who are our partners. And also we have some different examples of innovative methods from these countries. and also best practices from European countries on this subject. After all that theoretical input, we have educational program inclusion that we are going to talk about today.
So this program was developed by Manuela, me, and one youth worker volunteer, as well as 5 young people that were volunteering in the preparation of the resources, materials, and overall program. This process was done in late 2023, from November to beginning of this year, after which we had a international innovative bootcamp where all the partners gathered for several days in Croatia, where we went through all the programs and gave some comments and some inputs on how to further develop and how to make them better. After that, we had the testing pilot trainings, where we collected the feedback from youngsters, and after that we finally had this final version that is available on this platform as well as this manual. So we can say that it was a whole process of developing, testing, in order to have this final intellectual output, this project and product of mutual work. This program consists of 5 sessions starting, and it can be implemented as a one-day learning program, or it can be integrated in a several-day training or youth exchange or any other method or shape of non-formal education, and it can serve different practitioners in non-formal education, not just youth workers. That is important to highlight. Also, these sessions follow the non-formal education principle of first getting to know each other, then group building, then some mutual inclusive group work, small group work, and after that it finishes with wrapping up with debriefing. It follows Kolb's model of experiential learning. It ends with a session on evaluation. That's why it can be implemented as a one-day activity, but it can also be integrated in a longer program of education. Also, these sessions can work all together, all 5 of them, or practitioners can take some of them and integrate them in their own projects, in their own youth exchanges, trainings, or other non-formal education activities.